Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add your social media to the refresh theme on your Shopify. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have here my refresh theme. So what we can do is we can click on this customize option right here, and now this will open our Shopify editor. Now what we can do is we can actually head over to our footer. So in here we have a footer, so let's try to head over and click on that. So this is our footer. So what we can do is we can scroll down right here. And in here, you should be able to see the options for the links or for the social media icons that we have. So here's our social media icons. Make sure that this one is checked. Now, once you head over and added that this one is checked, we need to head over to our theme settings. And in here, you should be able to see in here the option for social media. So let's add in here the Facebook account of the social media that we have. So this is just a dummy social. So let's head over and add this. And then let's also add an Instagram, instagram.com, tiara. As you can see, the Facebook and Instagram has already been added. You can also add in here a YouTube social media that you have. So for example, let's add in here a YouTube channel. And then as you can see, it will also add in here. Next thing you need to do is to just save your progress by clicking on the save option right here. And then once you have done that, you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.